presses. Hold the presses. There it is. I've been waiting for it. The first Mustang is a Shelby. It's a Shelby Mustang. 68. King of the KR. GT 500 KR is here at the show. A king of the road, guys. Super rare Shelby. Shelbys are already rare. This one is a king of the road, KR GT 500. I'm too excited. Wow.
Oh, okay.
Wow. She's pretty. Did you ever watch MustangMedic on the videos? Here, I gotta give you a card. Stop for 1 second. I'm all about Shelbys. You'll like it. Look at that. King of the road, GT 500, 68 Shelby. My day's complete. I can go home now. That's it. I can go home. The Shelby's been caught. I'm out of here. I'm leaving. I saw the King of the Road Shelby GT 500. I'm done. I'm finished. I'm done. I'm out of here. I'm just kidding. I'm not out of here. I'm having too much fun just standing around with him. Matt. Right, Matt? That's right. Oh, my memory's getting better. I'm just having a good old time standing around with Matt. And all these people are checking it out, too. There's a whole bunch of beautiful cars pouring in. And Matt's being very cool. He's not kicking me out.
I enjoy the company.
I appreciate that. Trust me. Not so many people enjoy my company. All right. More to come. Sorry. I'm working on the whole Osmo thing. Here is the beautiful ocean on the East Coast. And here is the car show in all of her glory. Take it easy, guys. I'm doing more of these pans now that I got this Osmo for you guys, so you can see more of the show and more of the cars.